Hey everyone, it's Brad here from BoxBrownie.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a floor plan from scratch. In this video, I'll be showing you the complete process, including the fastest way to get your floor plan made up, what equipment you'll need, the step-by-step process on how to draw it, and how to get your floor plan drawing turned into a stunning plan ready for marketing. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to create stunning floor plans super easily. Okay, so first up is what is the fastest way to get your floor plan made up? You want to check with your homeowner to see if they have a copy of any builder's or architect plans. If so, then the process is super simple. Simply take your plan, upload it to BoxBrownie.com, and we'll turn it into a stunning floor plan ready for your marketing. If you don't have any builder's plans, then you'll have to proceed to step 2. What equipment do I need to draw a floor plan? So, you're gonna need a laser measurer to help you measure the distance between walls. I recommend using the DeWalt laser measurer because it's great quality, gets the job done, and only costs $50 Australian at the time of making this video. You want to avoid using a tape measurer, it's just way too slow. Next, you'll need to find something you can draw on. So get yourself some graph paper and a clipboard. A great tip to follow is 1 square on the grid paper is equivalent to 1 meter. You'll also be needing a pencil, not a pen, in case you make a mistake, and of course have an eraser and ruler on hand. Next up is step 3, setting up your laser measurer. So you want to make sure that your laser measurer is set up to measure from its base. This way you can place the laser measurer up against the wall and it takes into account the actual length of the laser measure itself. To do so, you want to go into the settings menu and select this option. Once done, you'll notice a little icon on the top left of the screen, which means it's measuring from the base. So step 4 is deciding which orientation you want to place the graph paper in. Portrait orientation is better for thinner houses and it's slightly easier to hold the clipboard. Landscape is better for wider houses. Always start by drawing from the bottom as well so you don't run out of room when you draw the house. I also prefer to do additional levels on separate pieces of paper as well. Moving on to step 5, which is measuring the external of the property. Now, if the property is square or rectangle in shape, simply go outside and measure both the front and the side of the house. You can then draw the perimeter from these 2 measurements. However, for bigger houses or more complex properties, you'll need to walk around the entire property and measure up each wall before going inside. A quick tip as well, when measuring external walls, it's best to put a small block of wood to point your laser measurer onto. I also record to 2 decimal places as well and place my measurements on the outside of the floor plan. Alright, so step 6 is measuring up the interior space. Take your measurements from the inside wall to inside wall. I generally place a laser measurer at around mid-height. You want to make as many measurements as possible and recording fixtures as you go. Things like sinks, showers, baths, stovetops, wardrobes, toilets, and which way the doors swing open. Make sure to label all your rooms also as you go. When drawing windows, measure from the inside of the window sill to know the exact length of the window. Then measure from the window sill to the wall to see where to place the window. When measuring doors, repeat the exact same procedure. You'll also find that most doors will measure as either 800 or 900 mil. If you want to include the north arrow, simply use the compass app on your phone and label it on the floor plan. Once your floor plan is sketched up, you want to proceed to step 6, getting your floor plan edited. To do so, simply log into BoxBrownie.com dashboard and select floor plan redraws. Here you'll be given the option to choose one of our templates, or you can choose from one of the approved templates for your agency. Load up your floor plan, select your options, and then submit your job. Within 24 hours, you'll receive a beautiful floor plan ready for marketing, and it's gonna make your listing pop. And before you go, if you haven't tried BoxBrownie.com before, then I'd love to offer you 4 free photo edits. To do so, simply click on the link on the left-hand side of the screen and sign up for free. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.